We are not religious, but spiritual. Jesus is our spiritual teacher. So the chapter continues in John chapter 8, where the Pharisees, they continue to ask, ukhile kanjani lo muntu? Le nto dependile ukuthi anifunanga ukumamela, sengichazile ukuthi lo muntu ungihilile kahle ngehle. Bambuza uphuma lo muntu yamazi, wathi cha angimazi. What I know is that this man is a what? Is a prophet. Kwalanda abazali balo muntu ukuthi tell us ukuthi lo mntana vele bekangaboni or bekabona and all of that. Hayi ishindaba. Verse 27 says, he answered them, I told you already and you did not listen. Why do you want to hear it again? Do you also want to become his disciples? Phela babuza ama-question amaningi. Yiko abuza ukuthi senifuna ukuba ama-disciple wakhe khona manje. Baphendule. Then they answered and said, you are his disciple, but we are Moses' disciple. We are what? Moses. Bathi wena uyi-disciple yakhe. Kodwa thina uhlala wazi ukuthi thina singama-disciple wakabani? Waka Moses. Jesus said, before Moses was I am. Meaning before Moses afika bekuwuNkulunkulu ehila abantu bakhe basebenza naturally, kunganamasonto, kunganalutho, kuwuNkulunkulu nje ohola abantu bakhe, kwafika ubani? uMoses. Makafika uMoses wafika nomthetho nama-commandments. uMoses wafika nani futhi? Nomthetho wasesontweni of the Leviticus. Wawukhipha Exodus, Leviticus, waphuma umthetho. So bona-ke ama-Pharisees baphethe ini? Umthetho. Kanti iqiniso ukuthi angeke ungene ezulwini ngokugcina ini? Umthetho. Izulu awulingeni ngoba wena ugcine ini? Umthetho. Nabantu abasinayo, people who are sinners, who lived as sinners, as soon as they repent, uNkulunkulu wenzani? Uyabaxolela. So don't be thinking that when you go to church, mawuloko luye esontweni, uNkulunkulu hayi wena, you are getting first class to heaven. Cha. Laba bangaye esontweni, laba abanganakiwe, yes, who you see them as sinners, they will get a judgment, but you'll be surprised that uNkulunkulu uzobaxolela labo bakwazi ungena ezulwini. Yazi ukuthi it is God's mercy and grace esifikise emazulwini, because of siyawona singabantu. Uyawona unknowingly, uyawona ulokolo wenzani? Uwazi. God uses anyone to heal abantu bakhe. So it does not necessarily mean ukuthi a priest, ngoba umfundisi omkhulu esesontweni uyena ozokhila. Cha. God uses anyone. The story of Jesus shows us ukuthi umuntu who's obedient to God, just like yena uJesus ongahluleli umuntu, uNkulunkulu yakwazi ukumsebenzisa naye. Kodwa ama-disciple kaMoses alokole ahamba ngomthetho. So if kunomuntu olokole busy uphusha umthetho kodwa inhliziyo yakho ikuphi? So kufanele ukuthi uyaziforce mos, awuzinikezelanga willingly, because of yonke into kuNkulunkulu ngasho it is a choice. Yonke into kuNkulunkulu, it is what? It is a choice. So faith yakho that pushes you, that helps you level up, ukuthi noma ungawazi ama-commandments kaNkulunkulu, kodwa i-consciousness yakho, unembeza wakho, siphila ngonembeza, ukuthi hayi unembeza wakho wona uzokukhuza ukuthi hayi manje la so wena mangabe ufuna ukulokola ukuthi uzolokola ubhekana nomthetho, ulokolo judge abantu ngomthetho, cha, abaphaphama abantu. Sibonga.